we're going to be making the Neiman Marcus chocolate chip cookie. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step of making our Neiman Marcus cookies, you're going to want to grind up or blend 5 cups of oatmeal into a powder, or you could just buy it at the store. Then you're going to want cream, 2 cups of butter, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 cups of brown sugar. And then add 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix in 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 4 cups flour. Then add the blended oatmeal. Add 24 ounces chocolate chips, 1/8 ounce grated Hershey's bar, 3 cups chopped nuts. Then you're going to want to roll into balls, place 2 inches cut apart on cookie sheets. Bake for 10 minutes at 375 degrees.
Quite a few years ago, there was a woman who went to Neiman Marcus, which is a very lovely store, and they have a very lovely, it's a little restaurant that has tiers of tea sandwiches and lovely salads and soups. Well, they enjoyed their lunch, and for dessert had one of the Neiman Marcus chocolate chip cookies, which are very delicious. Well, she enjoyed it so much that she asked the waitress if there was a way she could get the recipe. And the waitress said, yes, of course, we can give it to you. Well, the woman paid for her lunch, and when she got home, she noticed there was an extra $200 fee. The fee was for the recipe for the chocolate chip cookie. So she called them up, and they said, well, yes, we do sell the recipe. So the woman was so upset that she hadn't been told, and she paid $200 for a recipe, that she decided she was going to go online and tell everyone what the recipe was, so that no one else would have to pay $200 for a recipe for a chocolate chip cookie.
I mean, they're good, but they're not that good.
Okay guys, now that our cookie is all baked, we're gonna go ahead and eat it. Oh, and I'll let you know. Probably good. I don't know. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.
So you've got the
Neiman Marcus cookie. The snowball cookie.
cherry snowball,
And then we have
hot cocoa snowball.
hot cocoa snowball.
Which one's your favorite?
All of them. Okay. This one's was one of my favorite.
This is my favorite, and then this, and then these are good when you put the pecans or I actually did pine nuts this year, and it was different because it kind of gets boring when you just have a chocolate.